choose the best equation for the linear function graph below. Well, why is it linear? Oh, wait, it's a straight line. That's why it's linear. So, writing in an equation, we're writing it in slope-intercept form, so mx plus b. So we need to find two things. We need to find our b, and we need to find our m. And the way we find b, remember b is the y-intercept, m is slope. Okay, the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at this graph right here. We're going to look where the graph crosses the y-axis. And remember, the y goes up and down. So we look, oh, it's right here. It's positive 6. So b is positive 6. So let's take a look at our options. Let's see if we have an equation that has a plus 6 at the end, because this is plus 6. So, option 1 has a plus 6. Perfect. Option 2 has a plus 12. Well, it's not plus 12, it's plus 6. Option 3 has a plus 1. We know it's not that one because it's got to be plus 6. Option 4, plus 6. So we have narrowed it down to 2 options. So what we are going to look at now is we're going to find slope. Now, to find slope, m equals rise over run. And remember, rise is up and down, run is left and right. So we got to find our rise and our run. And we need to find 2 points on our graph. They're not given to us, so we got to look for where the 4 squares meet. So there's one right here, and we're going to make a dot. There's one right here, we can make a dot. There's one right here, we can make a dot. And there's even one up here. You could pick any 2 points, but what you have to check is your scale. The scale on the y-axis, we're going to make a triangle right here, is not 1s. It goes up by 3s. From 6 to 9 is 3. From 9 to 12 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now, our scale on the x-axis is 1. So, my rise, how many did I go up? 6. How many did I go over? 1. Can we simplify? You bet we can. M equals 6. So between these 2 equations, we're looking for this number to be 6. And this is 1 over 6, not that one. This one's 6. This is our answer. Option 4. We find our y-intercept, and then we find our slope.